Well, welcome everyone to the Digital Elastic, and today I wanted to show you something that is pretty cool on Ubuntu. A few months ago I created a video where you were able to watch Netflix, but you had to install VirtualBox on your PC and install a version of Windows into that VirtualBox, and that was basically the only workaround that we had. Now, within 3 steps, you're able to upload that Netflix into your system and not have to have a virtual box or have another computer where you're able to watch all of those. So more and more we're able to do everything on Linux. Unfortunately, this is not a very good example because I'm using my iPad to do this video just because Kazam, I can't figure out the sound out of my Kazam, so I can't make screencasts out of my system because I can't figure it out. But I guess that's one of the beautiful things about Linux, that it's free, but unfortunately we have to spend some time and tweak it. So while I'm tweaking it, I'm using my iPad. So Linux, Ubuntu is still the strongest, one of the strongest operating systems within Linux by far. It's very user friendly by most parts. Now you have to figure out some things, but once you have it, once you get it going, it's actually a pretty nice system. And let me just now, again, I have my iPad, so I'm going to be moving around. But let me just click on the dash so you can see that Netflix is on one of my applications, and I do use this a lot. So, and again, I said it's only a 3-step process. And those steps are going to be under my comments or under the commentary, and it's these steps right here. So if you're new to Linux, you're going to need your terminal, and you're going to need to type, or not type, but copy and paste every step here, one by one. So for example, when you open your terminal, all you do is just copy it. Then you go to your terminal here, or go and type terminal and then just type it there. Paste it, and then just press enter, and it's going to ask you to enter one more time. You'll enter it, and it'll start populating Netflix on your system, and you go through those 3 steps. Now I already have it installed, so I can't install it one more time, but the 3rd step will actually give you some reading material, and you will have to accept the terms and conditions. So what you do is you just read that information or skip it, but it'll have an enter button. Now you're not going to be able to use your mouse for that. It's very simple, so don't worry about it. All you have to do is press tab one time, and it'll highlight that enter. Now if it doesn't highlight it the first time, tab it one more time, and it should highlight the enter. Once it highlights it, just enter, and you should have Netflix. So once you complete those steps, just close your terminal and go to your dash, and Netflix should be there, or just type N or NE or Netflix, and it should appear for you. So you will have Netflix on your Ubuntu system. So hopefully that helps you guys out, and it was a pleasure doing another video. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.